What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In the realm of business services, Tailor Brands and Bizee stand out as platforms offering distinct solutions tailored to different entrepreneurial needs. While Tailor Brands focuses on comprehensive branding and online presence tools, Bizee specializes in LLC formation services. Let's dive deeper into a comparative analysis to help you choose the right platform for your business needs. Let's start with Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is a platform that offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to help businesses launch and thrive. From designing a professional logo and website to create branded merchandise and managing finances, Tailor Brands provides a one-stop solution for businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. In this review, we will explore the features and benefits of Tailor Brands and evaluate its effectiveness in helping businesses achieve their goals. Let's start with its features. Tailor Brands provides a service for forming an LLC online. This includes filing articles of organization, obtaining an EIN, and creating a customized operating agreement. The platform offers a service for filing for a trademark, which can help businesses protect their brand and logos. Tailor Brands provide a trademark search tool to ensure that the desired trademark is available and offers a trademark application service to help businesses file for their trademark. Tailor Brands helps businesses register for sales tax permits in the state where they have established nexus. This is an important step for businesses that sell products or services online, as it ensures that they are collecting and remitting the appropriate sales tax. The platform provides a logo maker to help businesses create a strong and relevant logo. Tailor Brands offers a variety of logo design templates as well as the ability to customize logos with different fonts, colors, and icons. Tailor Brands offers tools for registering a domain name, which can help businesses establish a strong online presence. The platform provides a domain search tool to help businesses find available domain names and offer a domain registration service to help businesses secure their desired domain. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks. Some users may find that the level of customization available in certain services, such as logo design templates or website designs, may be somewhat limited compared to hiring a professional designer or developer. While Tailor Brands provides affordable solutions for various business needs, additional services such as trademark filing or domain registration may incur extra costs beyond the initial package price. As a platform that caters to a wide audience, Tailor Brands may not offer the same level of personalized support and guidance as working directly with specialized professionals in areas like legal filings or branding strategies. Now, let's talk about Bizee. Bizee is a business formation and support platform that simplifies starting and running a business. They offer services like business formation, LLC filing, and business plan templates with transparent pricing. The user-friendly platform has positive reviews and provides supportive resources like compliance reminders and small business financing advice to help entrepreneurs succeed. Now let's take a look at its features. Bizee offers a wide range of services, including business formation, LLC filing, business plan templates, and annual report preparation, making it a one-stop platform for entrepreneurs looking to start and grow their businesses. Bizee provides simple pricing with no hidden fees, allowing users to easily understand and budget for the services they need without any surprises. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for entrepreneurs to navigate and access the tools and resources they need to manage their businesses effectively. Bizee has received positive feedback from users who appreciate the platform's services, customer support, and overall experience, indicating a high level of customer satisfaction. In addition to its core services, Bizee offers tools and resources to help entrepreneurs navigate the challenges of business ownership, such as compliance reminders, registered agent services, and small business financing advice, providing valuable support beyond just business formation. Now, let's take a look at its drawbacks. The website does not provide detailed information about the company's history, team, or specific services, which may leave some users unsure about the quality and scope of the service offered. While Bizee offers a range of services, the platform may not provide the level of customization that some entrepreneurs might need for their specific business needs. Bizee does not offer a free trial or demo, which may make it difficult for potential users to test the platform and its services before committing to a paid plan. In conclusion, Tailor Brands and Bizee offer unique services tailored to different aspects of business development. Tailor Brands excels in providing comprehensive branding and online presence solutions, while Bizee specializes in efficient LLC formation services. By understanding your specific business needs and priorities, you can make an informed decision on which platform aligns best with your goals and objectives. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.